Okay, we have a set of Solex P40-II carburetors for our 912 project. We used to do a lot of these, so we don't do them anymore. We only do them if it's part of an engine job or a vehicle that's here that needs them. And these ones are original to the 67 912. So we're going to disassemble them, clean them up, remachine what needs to be machined, and get them ready to install back on our engine. Okay, so I've got all my carburetor main parts, calibration package in this container. This one is all of our replate hardware. A couple of things I need to do is see how flat everything is, and it's kind of hard to tell until I really clean it. Doesn't look too horrible. A little bit of distortion there. A little bit of distortion there. That one's not bad. And that one's not too bad. We'll clean it and look at it again.
Do these get polished?
Yep. Everything gets cleaned.
Brass gets polished.
And vapor blasted, run through our polisher. I saw some threads here that might need some time, so that one doesn't look bad. That one's not bad. That one's kind of missing a big chunk out of the thread right there, so I've time sewed that one. That one's missing half the thread as well, so that one needs to be time sewed. But all in all, not the worst.
Do you want me to undo the plate for you?
Oh, right now I'm just getting an idea
Put it here and I'll work it as you work it.
where everything is.
Because I needed a photo of it anyway. So I'll undo it.
I need all the throttle link stuff first.
Okay. Well,
Man, how much plate did you put on this?
I kept everything 10 minutes.
I can't even get it to start. There it is.
Not me, I didn't do it. It could have had a snaggle on it.
No, it's just tight. Perfect. Just so happens I have screws.
I don't think I plated this for you. Unless this is there.
Plated what?
Is that them for throttle plate screws?
No, this is a throttle plate screw.
I didn't plate them.
No. They had Allen head screws in it.
Is it a different spring than the other springs?
No,
Same spring as a throttle
there's a
idle spring?
mixture screw.
Yeah.
Whoompa whoompa. Wrong ones. Need Solex ones. You are talking.
A little bit.
So we've cleaned everything. Cylinder bores have all been honed. The bottom surfaces I was able to surface just with my piece of flat glass. Didn't need to machine. These do warp a lot, but these ones were actually in really nice shape. The big problem that Solex has is the throttles will wear into the bores, and these are actually looking really good. And these people will tend to over tighten these. They tend to bend down at the ears, and you have to machine them back off flat again. So everything's cleaned, polished, ready to go back together. We got a new jet package for it, and everything's been replated. Make it look nice, and as well as protect it, make it last a long time.
That's good.
Yeah, I was just checking my clearances
So is
first.
that one for it?
Yeah, but I need a nut too.
Oh, I got nuts for those. That's why there's so many, because the same thing for the Venturi.
Need my jets.
It's like a parts breakdown.
Can't read any of it. It's been reprinted too many times.
It does look rather blurry. Do a good job.
First done, printed in 1965. Looks like it's been reprinted from the same one in 1965.
Oh, I forgot the big old jet holders.
Okay, so we've changed our jetting slightly to account for our increased displacement and the fact that this thing is going to live at low altitude. Stuff in the way. First thing you do with these kits is take that and throw it over there, because they are worthless.
Do you have some old needle valves?
You'll have to wait and see till I get to the needle valve section. Got to make sure the check ball's free and moves.
Why is there a single spring in here? Oh, they give you two.
Yeah, they don't use their mixture screws or their springs.
Oh, you don't like this really needly?
Yeah, they're just not very good. And plus, they don't have the nice big fat nose.
Oh, okay.
These are steel, and they have the nice big turning one, and rarely do they wear out. The bodies will wear out before that wears out. Okay. See, all this stuff that you don't get in the kit. You get lots of useless stuff. Lots of stuff that you still need. Doesn't come. Check my pump cover. Oh, pretty good.
super shorties.
Let's get that one started.
What jets are those?
These are accelerator pump jets.
Oh. Can you adjust them and set the volume? Or?
No, you set the volume with the stroke. This is the flow rate.
Okay.
So you can see down there a little tiny hole.
Yeah.
Great. We'll fine set the delivery rates in a little bit. Okay, we got our emulsion tubes, main air correctors, these are the ones you don't want to mess up, because these little ones that go in here provide extra fuel at high RPM, so they actually increase the main jet size. So you can, these carburetors are very tunable, but if you mix them up, because these next ones, these are for the idle air correction. So these ones are like a main air corrector stack for the main jet. These provide air correction for the idle jet, which is really an idle through transition jet. And if you switch them around, everything will be really rich. Check bowls free. I don't feel like I can blow through that one.
Tunable.
Yeah, there's only so much you can do with air balance. You can only really balance side to side. And there's my notch right there, so we're going to go half, one, half, 2 turns. Pull them down, half, 1, half, 2. Great.
Oh, we should use the crappy one. Spray can, not your good one. Because you like that better.
Well, what do the new cans come out?
I don't know. Want to open them?
Okay. New packaging, MPS 100. Old packaging.
Oh, I can hear it.
You can see the difference.
Yeah. Don't squeak to us squirting them.
Luckily, because it's lame-o.
Super lame. Is it squirting?
Oh, yeah.
It's like trying to start the car in the morning. Where's the fuel? Oh, little broken one fits.
0.45 for 2 strokes on these. Let's go A little bit more. .55. Split the difference, 0.5. Oops, it's backed it off too much.
Yeah.
That one's at 0.5.
I wonder if something got sticky in it.
That one's at 0.5.
Oh, there you go. It is not solid. It's a hollow too.
Yep. That sits on there, and it's a secret how I set my floats, because I do it a specific way. Okay.
That's like a lot of them. Are they different sizes?
Yes. This was one, which is a 1.5, and this was the other style, which doesn't even have a marking on it.
Oh, look
and
at
it
that.
just
So
presses right on a solid ball.
Wow, I haven't seen that.
I have.
Oh.
It was an aftermarket kit that was floating around for a while.
Oh, don't use that
But
one.
yeah, if it doesn't say Solex,
Okay.
don't use it. Let me just check the size requirements.
Oh, it only takes one.
For a carburetor?
Yeah. Well, Weber's take 4.
Seals out. Well, that washer's way too fat. Well, every jet is slightly different, so... Oh, wait, we had work to do to these top plates. That one's got to get time sorted.
Oh, yeah.
Hold your horses. I'll stop. Okay. Come finish it tomorrow, because, yeah, I got to time sort that. Thread's missing.
No, well, don't lose those 2 little springies.
Yeah, once they're on, they're freaking hard to get off.
Oh.
Without trashing them. Okay, so I got my time sewed in. Put the top cover on. These fittings, or these washers here, are from my banjo fittings. Everything that we've done here is just a bench set. Everything needs to be set up on the engine. So float height's done with the engine running right here, even though I set it up using my depth indicator. And accelerator pumps set up on all of them. Those shouldn't have to be touched until a road test. I've got a starting jet package in it, but I also have more jets, so I can get it tuned on the engine, and then this one, once it goes into the car, will have final tuning as far as jet size and drivability.
Prime the bowl.
Giving away our secrets.
Yeah, no one wants to pay anyway.